How to delete drafts on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on drafts to go to the drafts section. Here you will see all the drafts that you have on your profile. So you have two options. You can, if you want to delete one draft, you can simply just click and hold on it and then click delete draft. Then click delete to confirm, and there you go. This is the first option. The second option is to click on select. If you want to delete multiple drafts, click select at the top right of the screen. Let me show you again. Click select at the top right of the screen, and then select the drafts that you want to delete, whether it's only one or multiple ones. Say for example these two. And once you do that, click on delete at the bottom of the screen. Then click delete from this confirmation box to delete them, and there you have it. You just deleted all the drafts on your account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete draft videos on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.